This is Mr. Bitla. Bitla, give me some introduction about Diwali.
I don't know anything about Diwali. Narak Chaturdashi. We are just celebrating in May. Cool.
I think the rest of the gang wants to tell us something about Diwali.
Diwali, Festival of Lights.
Deepavali.
That's Renzi and Amala. We're going to do a dance for Diwali.
Deepavali. Deepavali.
Come on, man, speak out something. Don't act.
I'm not acting.
I too am in the video.
Yeah, you
I
are.
don't like Renzi.
Okay,
Now Amla is in focus.
Okay, Diwali is a festival of
Lights.
lamps, lights, whatever we call. You can see tomorrow how we glow like lamps.
How we celebrate in May. Come, tomorrow.
This is Srinivas Koduri. Srinivas Koduri is going to give us an introduction
Diwali is
about.
the festival of lights.
Oh, everybody said that. This is something else.
And it's a festival of crackers.
I can say a lot about it.
Okay, let's go focus karo.
Okay, Abhijit.
And it's the festival of not like this. Shipping. No.
Yeah, yes, striptease.
It's the festival of winning, man. The good wins over the evil, and it's the festival of celebration in that occasion. So both हो गया दिवाली के बारे में.
Okay, this is Deepu and Sharat. We will come on, Sharat, tell us something about Diwali. What's your views on Diwali?
You'll see me as Hrithik Roshan, don't worry.
Okay, Deepu, Kottapalli. Deepu, Diwali cheppu. What festival?
Diwali is festival of deeps.
Prashant Sheshadri, tell us something about Diwali, man.
Diwali is an awesome festival. But I hope I was in India, Bombay right now for Diwali. Instead of being in Maine, I missed the firecrackers, miss everything which is
They
not
practice.
Diwali.
They're practicing today.
That's it. Oh.
I want to tell you something about Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. The University of Maine is going to, the Indian Society, or the SAM Society of University of Maine is going to celebrate Diwali. Today is 8th. It's the practice day for Diwali. So we are going to have our skit practice here today. So we will be having some snaps of skit, some snaps of dance. Thank you. Namaskar.
Hi.
This is our director Chitra.
Anish.
So this is the rehearsal for Diwali. It's on the 8th. There is our director Chitra. She's directing the. She's already upset. Nobody's turning up. But it's okay. Chalta hai.
The discman directly to the speaker. Why would he connect?
Aniket, why don't you tell us something about Diwali? You are the Bombay Babu. How's Diwali in Bombay?
Oh, very nice. Light, fully lit up. Lot of shopping.
क्या बोलेगा बहुत लाउड है और किस में और क्या बोलेगा This is Navin Indi and Hrithik Roshan as on the play as of today.
Nanandi is checking out his
Hrithik Roshan and Kareena
PC.
उसकी वाइफ नहीं है.
That is the director and the sound engineer. They are trying to figure out stuff.
We don't have a problem. And I guess with this I need only the cheese cubes.
That's all you could eat.
And the vegetables, carrots.
That's the sound engineer. He's totally into it.
I eat everything. I have like no reservations.
That's the director.
It's not kacha.
It's boiled.
Boiled. But with you dip it in cocktail sauce.
It was dipped with like salsa
like
kind
lemon.
of thing.
You spray it with lemon and dip it in cocktail sauce and it
It
comes
was
to
kind of, some salsa kind of.
Yeah. I actually really like that. It's called cocktail sauce, the shrimp
Oh,
sauce.
really?
Yeah.
The red one?
Yeah.
Oh, it was shrimp sauce also.
It's used just for shrimp. It's salsa. It doesn't have as much tanginess in it. This has a little tangy punch in it.
Yeah, it has.
Barbecue sauce is kind of dark and kind of
It's
brownish.
I mean, it has that
Sweet, yeah.
burnt taste.
Yeah, smoked.
Yeah,
kind of thing.
smoke taste.
All the actors and actresses are eagerly waiting.
Yeah,
I
we
think
were just, I mean, we didn't take
Suresh is
video,
already asleep.
but
No,
we were just
Suresh is
telling
awake.
about old things and
I don't like the video.
Deepu,
Too much evidence.
Deepu is our star for the day. He's doing the major part in the skit.
Wonder nahi uska.
He's called, his name is Lele.
He just say,
Lele! So that's our director and sound engineer again. They're trying to fix up things.
She played the song. Really play the song.
Start right from the point and
Hey, God.
मैं ये एकदम सवाल हो गया
I don't think even A.R. Rahman will get so involved in his music.
like
That's our
Sharatu.
sound engineer Sharat.
Like Sharatu.
Sharat is so involved in his work. So there you see our tense sound engineer and director, and you see our relaxed characters. They are so relaxed.
Hi.
They are just waiting to play their part. That's our visa consulate guy. And now you have the king of expression, Suresh.
and
Yeah, he's the producer. He's taking part. Suresh is taking part in Boomeroo, one of his masterpieces. That is Srinivas Koduri. Srinivas Koduri is going to be our cameraman for tomorrow. He is going to cover the whole. He is going to cover the Diwali program.
screenplay, dude. That's not just camera.
Yeah.
First job
So
as cameraman. Then
Srinivas is going to do the screenplay tomorrow.
cameraman job.
Yeah.
Okay, I want.
I gave you a pen. Prashant. Oh, you don't shoot this, man. Let it be live tomorrow itself. You'll otherwise.
don't shoot
You're
this,
revealing
man.
the suspense of the drama. Wait,
The making of going to America.
Fly over to USA.
Okay.
Fly out to US.
Hey, Mr. Vitla, just
Okay,
remember
here we
what's
start.
important.
आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं एक मनोरंजक कार्यक्रम Fly over to USA.
Fly over to USA.
अनु
तो बहुत मजा आएगा. अमेरिका की कुड़ी. वाह वाह. बियर पार्टी और अमेरिकन पाई मूवी. जल्दी जल्दी देखेंगे.
after American.
Yeah.
You'll play it loudly first.
एक पूरा song लगा दो यार.
Wait, let it play. At this time, guys, Shiva, Nico, when the song is playing, you're inside.
Yeah.
Okay, you're walking with cups, then utna.
Okay.
Aja. Hey, bedu, aisa. Talk in Hindi because you're still in India.
Yeah, पक्का
So, pass हो गया क्या? अरे वो निकाल.
Password.
Something, okay? And then after that, slightly reduce now.
Yeah.
Volume खाली कम करो.
नोकी बाट को अलग. नोकी बाट.
Hey, cover is no word for cover यार.
Cover.
इधर आ रहे हैं.
वो मैंने पकड़ा था हमें.
सॉन्ग है.
हाँ, वो चल रही है भाषा.
Those are our main characters.
चूड़ा. हाँ, वो चालू है बात में.
Guys, don't.
Hrithik Roshan and Salman Khan of You Mean.
उसको बोल रहा हूँ उसको हिंदी
क्या?
लिखा नहीं क्या.
हो जाएगा.
It takes some time.
टाइम नहीं.
को देखो कैसे शान से चल रहा है.
अरे बिडू लगता है पास हो गया.
Okay, I'll just come.
When I say Manchipudi, wave. At that time you got to wave. Now,
अच्छा नहीं बिडू लगता है पास हो गया. पार्टी बना रहे हैं.
Shiva, go back. When I say Manchipudi, you're Manchipudi.
Don't start. पार्टी बना रहे हैं.
Come in, walk now. अरे हमारे मंजीपुड़ी को देखो कैसे कैसे शाकरी चक्री चक्री चक्री.
अरे और वो कोने में खड़ूस के माफिक कौन बैठा है?
अरे वो तो हमारा वीजा काउंसलर है, मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड.
आगे देखते हैं.
And then Mr. McDonald in the past.
So it will say record. Right now it's recording, okay? And if you want to stop it,
Mister, okay, you're just from
Yeah.
Manipuri, I'll say Mister.
Mr. name.
see, because we don't want the home video.
No time to watch also.
तेरा नाम बोला है.
नहीं, शरद जैसे किसका नाम है मैगी
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Token number 31.
Mr. Mango Puri.
It's like
Stick to it. Go.
Okay, check. Okay.
mango
No
puree,
problem.
mango
Very
puree.
nice.
Milk.
Mango puree. Oh yeah.
Hey, वो प्यून का बीच में.
इधर है VC डेली कौन है यार?
See, Prashant, you
He's
can't
our
do that.
stupid visa counselor.
Hey, 1 second.
VC जो भी है.
Yeah.
आराम करना.
1 second, man. 5 seconds means like, you know.
So our director is
it takes some
coding. It's
time.
our
It's the first generation anyway, so. Come on, हाँ? अभी सब ready हो तुम लोग, चलो.
पैर. Don't. मैं पैर.
वो उसका पैर ऊपर है ना, पैर सीधा.
Why is that? Okay.
He's purposely putting it for you.
Yeah,
So you
purposely.
make the
You
dialogue.
really need to do that?
He just did it, so do it.
If you remember, you do it. Or else it's okay.
Token number 31.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Mango puree. That's an interesting name.
Oh, Manjipuri, sir.
कर रहा है, village
Chitra
में सब कर रहा है,
is
तो
planning
बोलो city को क्यों
those
छोड़ दिया
stupid
यार?
actors.
That kind of thing.
No problem.
Let us see how it goes. Once again. Once again.
Awesome.
Don't go like this. Let the music play.
Oh, okay.
Let the music play.
Spend some time.
Good.
हाँ, paper लिख से लगा.
No.
Hey, एक पेपर.
हाँ paper tag ऊपर ऐसा कुछ.
You can do whatever you can.
మంచి పాయింట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసాం రా గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. You have
Yeah,
chosen a very good
Ah,
song for you.
That's good. Okay. If you want
Chitra,
to
और एक
sit and sit and dance, do anything. But
Just move along, just shake and go.
ఏదో టైం. అంత
Hey,
ठीक है. One second.
crowd side.
Ready?
ముందర యాంగిల్ పట్టి
Do this.
Nice. Laugh.
Perfect.
You have to beat the music.
इतना बहुत हो गया.
Oh, इतना काफी है.
Do something.
अरे नी अब्बा अंतमंది చేస్తారే.
నాకు ఇదే వచ్చింది రాదు రా బాబు.
Okay.
Okay, wait, come here.
Okay.
When you're starting, you show that you're happy. Then just ऐसे करो. नाचने का नहीं है तो फिर तुमने ऐसा किया ना, वो करो. 5 बार करो. फिर इधर भी जाओ. इधर जाके भी वैसे करो 5 बार. ठीक है?
भैया ये बुमराह मत करना.
Otherwise you do like this.
It's really funny.
Just till the music goes, do whatever you can.
Smile. Come on.
I
Hey. Nice. Smile.
बहुत हो गया.
keep doing it. Yeah.
That's over.
It was only 1 second. No, wow. Just come again.
I'm sorry for that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, come again, please.
नहीं आगे चलो.
Come again.
उसके लिए लाफ.
Hey, you.
Please तुम मत करो.
I love the
Token number 33.
After ज्यादा हो
Hey you
गया.
बोला.
Hey, you.
Yeah, me.
Yes, token number 33. Where were you going?
मैं आना था.
Wait, let him come and now I'll ask.
You told me to come again.
Oh,
Put
okay.
it to laugh.
Let this laugh with her. Okay, I cannot be laughing. That's all.
But still you have to show it.
Chances in the United States.
Oh yeah, I have a lot of property. You can see that property in the paper.
I'm sorry, I'm not convinced yet.
Oh, actually, you can see my CA statement, and you can see my properties, which is in this page. अरे यार सुबह
I'm sorry. Hey, तूने गलत लिखा है यार. I'm see there.
मेरा क्या?
You walk back dejected,
Using your phone.
leaving the
Being
sea.
dejected.
Okay.
Wait here.
Music.
आजा.
Show to the crowd.
कामयाब एक दिन
I'm also supposed to sing.
हो मन में ये विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास. Now you're meeting him.
होंगे
ये last step.
कामयाब
बेटा सांगड़ो भेज కదా
People tell me how you are feeling.
I'm really excited to act.
You are going to see.
क्या मस्त सब पेपर वेपर रेडी है ना
हाँ ready है.
राइट ड्राफ्ट रेडी है 2 फोटो भी मांगता है हाँ साफ नंबर बोलेगा तो लाइन से जाने का 1 by 1
Hey, आप इसे मेरा नहीं मेरा
Sorry. You come in first. Don't play that.
नो प्ले सीक्वेंस
फोटो लेने के लिए आ जाओ.
मैं
ओके तो
Who's there?
देखो फोटो फोटो ले
अरे फोटो लो भाई हमारा फोटो लो फोटो फोटो
Click
फोटो
this
लो
on. Click.
गाड़ी लगी तो ड्राइवर जरूर रखना, ठीक है?
हाँ और ड्राइवर को अपना पूरा पकड़
बैग के साइड में बेटा अपना ख्याल रखना, ठीक है?
ठीक है दैट्स ऑफेंसिव
We shall
फॉर
not
बिहारीज
spit.
मैन नो नो नो
It's
स्पिटिंग
too
नो
low.
स्पिटिंग नो
Come on.
नो स्पिटिंग
क्या
अरे छोड़ दो बाबा.
अरे तू डिग्री लेके आएगा तो थानेदार की लड़की से तेरी शादी रखवाएंगे. बड़ा रोकड़ा मिलेगा.
अरे टाइम हो रहा है फ्लाइट का टाइम हो रहा है.
अरे थानेदार की
टाइम हो रहा है
लड़की,
चलता.
थानेदार की लड़की नहीं तो जोशी की लड़की, उसका भी बहुत माल है.
अरे अच्छा बाबा मैं चलता हूँ.
अरे कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, कोई अमेरिकन अम्मी लाके देना मुझे.
ओके
मेरा बेटा है.
ओके ला लूंगा.
अरे कोई फोटो खींच, मेरा बेटा अमेरिका जा रहा है, कोई फोटो खींच.
United Airlines
Hey.
flight number. Oh, अभी नताशा आएगी. Okay? Ready. आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है.
अच्छा हुआ रे कुछ कस्टमर चेक नहीं किया लगेज.
अरे कुछ निकाल दिया था हल्का तो हो जाता ना.
क्या खुशी बोलता है.
प्रशांत.
अरे अच्छा हुआ रे कस्टमर कुछ चेक ही नहीं किया. Like we are very hungry. Can you take us to some restaurant like McDonald's?
Follow me. I'll take you to your restaurant. It's just around the corner. That is my.
Beef, pork क्या है? चिकन खाएंगे?
यहाँ चिकन में भी बीफ डालते हैं खाएगा.
यार तो क्या सिर्फ चिकन नहीं खा सकते क्या?
एक काम करो चिकन बर्गर विदाउट मीट ऑर्डर कर.
ठीक है. अच्छा? Okay.
You like it?
Very good.
Okay.
excellent that no reworks
See, see, one.
You have to coordinate in this scene. You have to bring in the laughters.
I'll get it.
Okay, Chitra, one thing. How are you going to order the burger? See somebody going to come in front, or you are going to
No,
say
we're just doing.
from behind?
No.
it's going to be on the side like somebody will say standing
okay,
right here
okay, I'll come angle.
imagine Chitra was just right here and he's just looking
अभी मत करो, बाद में करते हैं. Next scene. Frying.
Oh my god.
Now you're chopping. Now frying. Frying, Papa. Frying. Just throw something.
imagine you're doing
That's all.
Enhanced.
Oh, you.
ये भी आता है
ए इतना नहीं.
उन बाहर पर ले
Then answer.
bring egg.
Come on, have a seat.
Oh, thank you.
This is a cool song.
अबे दाल छोड़ना. You know, like
Buzz happy.
you know who is Bal Thackeray?
No.
Loudly, Shiva.
He's in kitchen now.
Oh, really? Can I meet you?
No, can I?
No,
meet
no.
you?
He's in the kitchen now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
अरे तू दाल निकाल कर देगा नहीं.
अबे
Sorry, I must go, really. Thank you.
that's all.
Okay. लगता है यही दे.
You UPS got you.
Okay.
You okay ना
okay continue
That's all. That's good.
माइक्रोवेव Yeah.
Come on, join us.
Yeah, sure. I want you to introduce these two guys. They're from India as well.
Oh, is
Mr.
it?
Ganpat and Mr. Bakir.
Hey, buddy, how?
Okay.
It's okay.
You introduce yourself. I'll see you later.
Okay.
What's up, buddy? Hey, do you wanna have a drink?
अरे मैं पीता नहीं हूँ ना.
Good.
If you are not going to drink, you have to dance with that girl.
नहीं मैं पीऊंगा भाई. कहाँ है ड्रिंक तुम्हारा?
Where is?
चलो. कम से कम पास तो हो गए.
ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం.
अरे अब तो ग्रैंड स्टाइल ग्रेजुएशन पार्टी
Next song.
Yeah.
ए जॉब नहीं तो तू फिक्र मत कर. ए देख मैंने पान बेच के इतना बनाया. हम यहाँ खोलेंगे लेले एंड सन्स पान शॉप. अमेरिका में पान शॉप खोलेंगे यार. पान शॉप.
Happy now.
हंसो हंसो मेरे बच्चों.
सही है तो डैड का फॉर्मूला.
अबे
अरे क्या वीडियो ऋतिक रोशन आ गया अमेरिका में।
अरे ये तो अमेरिका में हिंदी फिल्म का शूटिंग चल रहा है।
अरे मगर वो ऋतिक वो तो अपना चक्री है यार। यार एक्सेप्ट हो या रिजेक्ट
देसी निकलता है परफेक्ट
क्योंकि वही है
Okay, so this is Bitla. Bitla.
Mr. Paul.
Mr. Paul, how are you
It's not
feeling?
pure, it's Paul.
So what do you think of the skit?
This sucks, man.
This is our heroine Natasha.
Hi.
Hey Natasha, what's your feelings about the skit?
It's good. I love Indian food.
That's good. So our Kadu's consulate officer, what do you feel about the skit?
I feel it's very good.
Give a smile, man.
Awesome.
So that's our Lele.
Yeah. Planning for 5-star pan shop.
So Lele, are you planning to go to Bollywood to try your luck?
No, no Bollywood, only pawn shops.
So our director Chitra, she had a tough time. So Chitra, what do you feel about the characters and the actors?
We're getting there. Probably we need another 2 more rehearsals.
Okay, that's like a confident director. Good job, Chitra.
Thank you.
So that's our assistant director, Aniket Baduri.
He's just narrator, man.
Hey Aniket.
narrator.
So what do you feel, man? How's the skit coming?
Confident from Bihar, Banke Bihari, Gajanand Lele, Sharad Chakravarti. We will do fine.
So that's our Bake Bigari.
हम पान बेचूंगा और वहाँ पान की दुकान लगाऊंगा।
Okay, good job, man. So Mai, how are you?
मेरा पुत्र अमेरिका से वापस आ गया है।
Mr. Suresh, last year's hero. What do you feel about this year's skit?
Yes, coming wonderful.
You think it's good?
Yes, awesome.
Good job. So that's our sound engineer, Srinivas Koduri. So what do you feel about the skit, Koduri?
It's silent.
Okay, good. So Hrithik Roshan,
Sorry.
what do you feel? Are you trying your luck at Bollywood?
I hope you like my dance.
Oh, your dance is awesome, man.
Are you wearing a cap tomorrow?
Yeah, probably yes.
Tomorrow.
So Neelima, as an onlooker, how was the skit?
Yeah, we'll do today. Finish
You think we'll make it?
Yeah, because tomorrow I have to do the
Thank you.
cooking.
That's our busy second sound engineer. So Amla, what do you feel about the skit?
I feel it's coming good.
It will be good. It will be a big hit.
With my sounding performance and all, I think it should be okay.
Good. That's like a confident sound engineer. The time now is 10:30 p.m. People are really working hard. So now after the dinner break, they are practicing book practice.
Oh yeah, she did.
The time is really late. It's like 10:30 p.m. People are trying very hard to make the Diwali program a great success. The guys are all set. We have already seen the Culture Fest video. How these guys, they really showed the lack of practice. Hopefully they'll do good this time. Oh, there goes our guys, man. Come on, guys, let's do it. Oh, they did it again. The same step. They are doing it wrong again.
जगह नहीं है
అవునా టేస్ట్ లేదా బాయ్
बिटला कंफ्यूज करता तू मुझे
देख मम्मी will drink it
हमारा
नहीं
only one thing
this
step we want this
నా స్టెప్ చూడండి నా స్టెప్ చూడండి
నువ్వు వచ్చా అందరూ when we are all in line you see now you are doing this way you start this way then you go this way what step are you
Yeah, just follow me. Don't stop me.
no you people are doing fine
This is called height of confusion.
last time I did slowly like this you were doing like this
Okay, we should
and I just
वो उधर तो तू उधर
या उल्टा
ready go back ready girls
ओ पहले से
yeah we'll do
नहीं last ना
move
Amana, I have that.
start
hey it's correct
slow
slow or fast
no slow Chitra okay
okay this one is slow or fast
hey you're big Jero
stop again no he stopped
okay all the guys do
left okay
left side fast
okay
ready 1 2 3 start 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4
So, as you saw, that was the end of
anyway तुम लोग
Boomeroo. Hopefully, you can see a better Boomeroo tomorrow. So now we are going back to skit again. Skit rehearsal. Our Boomeroo hero Suresh is leaving.
Everybody.
Hey, say bye, Suresh. See you.
Okay, but you also pretend to be singing.
In between,
Because
Aniket is just going to give us a small rap show.
Welcome to India where the cows eat hay and we drive auto rickshaw every day. Goats meat, yummy sweet, monkeys roaming where roosters don't crow till 5 in the morning.
बंदे रे
Ooh, that is cool, Aniket. Good.
Vikram,
good
is
job.
that you, my friend? Say it is yes, it is me, my friend.
Yeah, it's me.
yes it is
But that's it, that's all I know
my
for the
friend.
lyrics.
So you see, guys are still enjoying.
American rap now.
They are still enjoying.
oh my head
That's
is aching.
Chitra. As you can see, it's already 11:30. Guys are really practicing hard. Let's hope it comes out to be a good Diwali.
hey Ludacris actually not Ludakrishna
I am Luda Krishna.
What's the song? I forgot.
So Koduri is going to do a rap for us, American
Welcome
rap.
to USA,
no
my
man that is not the song wait oh I want to yo I wanna lick you from your head to your toes I wanna move to the bed down to the floor I wanna
Cool Koduri.
super song man that's
Even at 11:30, the guys are really enthusiastic. That really shows the spirit of our Indian community here. Guys are really doing good.
what about the filter
So as you have seen, time is around 12:15 now. Everybody is really enthusiastic.
अभिजीत जी आइए एक मिनट
बात हो गया रे
Okay.
छोड़ो रे वो
So tomorrow we have to do it once. What is the time convenient, man, guys?
Hey, I have a busy schedule, so whatever I don't mind whatever time